Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at rational and irrational numbers. Now this question is asking us to identify which of the following are irrational numbers. Now irrational is the opposite of rational in that a rational number can be expressed as a fraction of a whole number over another whole number. And this is actually where we get the term rational. It's ratio. It's not like the numbers are thinking well rationally. No, the numbers can be expressed as A over B. So for example, 1 over 2, half, is a rational number. 3 is a rational number because we can express it as 3 over 1. Now looking at these numbers down here, the square root of 2 cannot be expressed as a ratio. Neither can pi be expressed as a ratio. So those two are irrational. 0.66 though, we can express as 2 over 3. And 22 over 8, well, it's already in the form A over B, but we can simplify that. So that is 22 is 2 times 11. 8 is 2 times 4, which is 11 over 4. Or, as a mixed number, well, 4 goes into 11 twice, with 3 left over. So, the square root of 2 and pi are both irrational, whereas 0.66 recurring and 22 over 8 are rational. Now, for this next question, we are asked to determine which of the following numbers can be multiplied with the square root of 2 to produce a rational number. And remember, we're thinking of rational numbers as a whole number over another whole number in a way that can be simplified. So, what we're asking is, can I express 2 times the square root of 2 in this way? That is there this version here? Now, if I know that the square root of 2 we can't do that for, then 2 times the square root of 2 also can't be done. If I can't simplify it before, I can't simplify it now. Now for half, we're going to have the same problem. So half times the square root of 2, right, is going to equal A over 2b, which again cannot be simplified if we know that there doesn't exist a fraction that means that the square root of 2 is rational. Now let's have a look at these other two though, because they're also square roots. That says that maybe we can do it. So C here, so this is A, B, C is the square root of 62 multiplied by the square root of 2. And with some square root laws in mind, I know that I can express this as 62 plus 2. So the square root of that whole number. So the square root of 64, I know, is 8. So immediately I can see that actually this is going to be the right answer, because I can multiply the square root of 2 by the square root of 62 to get a rational number, 8, which is equal to 8 over 1. Let's see if we can do the same for D. The square root of 3 times the square root of 2 is equal to the square root of 3 plus 2, the square root of 5, which I know is an irrational number. I cannot express that as a fraction A over